Start na ta ha. So our topic for Unit 15 is about data interpretation and analysis. Unit 14, that is about what is that about? No, what I mean, Unit 14. That's about a range, mean deviation, standard deviation. So Unit 15 is about data interpretation and analysis. So under that unit is Lesson 1, first lesson, investigating and interpreting data. What do you mean by interpreting data? Investigating. Do you have an idea, opinion?
Ako, na ko opinion chart.
Yes.
Imong ibutang sa kuan chart. Imong review, imong interpret chart.
Yes, actually that's a graph.
I graph it.
The graph that you put, that's what you are going to explain or interpret that data. We call it data interpretation. So our objectives is to differentiate between primary data and secondary data. That's the type of data. We have primary, that's first-hand information, meaning to say original, dili kabit. Secondary, second-hand information. Second-hand information, that's secondary data. Kabit na siya. Oh. Primary data is original. For example, I will interview you. So you are the original person that I interview face to face. Personal. Okay? Another example, survey. Alright. So the second-hand information or what we call secondary data, for example, is the article. That's secondary. Nga naman. It's in the article, the news, or whatsoever is the issue. So that's secondary because we are not interviewing what's in an article. Secondary na ta. Okay? Another example is the magazine. Another example is the census or the PSA, the NBI. That's another example of secondary. You listen kay naasa na siya. What type of data is that? Is that primary or secondary? You listen. Second objectives, investigate and interpret graphs created from primary data. Third is investigate and interpret graphs derived from secondary data. So primary data, this is data collected directly by the person conducting the research. Primary data include classroom-based surveys. So for example, like today, I am discussing right in front of you. So, classroom-based survey. So, nag-survey ko ninyo based on your performance. If dako ba mong score. Next is personal interviews. So, I already talked about interview. Then, data collected from an experiment. Secondary data. This is data obtained from existing sources such as government reports, articles, or websites. So these are the examples of secondary data. Government reports, articles, or website. For example, published statistics on literacy rates or census data. Do you know what is census? Census comes from the government na siya. And the government subuon or command some barangay officials or the person to have a census in that household, room to room. So what is census man? Like kanang how many people are there in your house? Kay like for example sa pagbutar-butar, naay nag-census dito kung pila may kabuok, pila edad, mao na siya. Kay pila man kabuok ang 18 abang nga mubutar, mao na mag-census sila kung pila tanan. These are the example of graph where we can interpret the data. So the graph we have Jemima, Judah, Janice, Norbelita, Judge. How many person man?
5.
There are 5. So the question is calculate the average. How to get the average? What is average again?
Divided by 5.
Yes, divided by ang unsa man? Ang total na score. Okay, so aside from average, what is the meaning again of average?
Define.
Ha?
Define.
Average.
The result.
The the average number of water.
Di ba naaman to yung meaning sa average siya, itong symbol gani? What do you mean by that? The symbol?
Katawanan, sir.
Mm.
Katungurag white naman.
Yes. Mean is also an average. I keep on writing down on the whiteboard, what is this? Di ba? This is mean, and then this is ano, average. Di ba? I keep on writing. What's the meaning of mean? So this is calculate the mean. Calculate the mean or calculate the average. So in calculating, based on the graph, we have the scores 75, 85, 90. Just add all of them and then divide it by how many number of person. So the mean is 85. Next, if you arrange the position of the points, you will see that the middle score is 85. So in the middle score will be the average. Thus, the average score is 85 and Judah gets the average score. The following data shows another example, the annual rainfall in millimeter of a region over 5 years. Look at the graph. Earlier, the graph is bar graph. This is bar graph. Okay, this is bar graph ha. Remember ha, bar graph, it's like a tide bar or bareta. Do you know what is bareta? Oh, it looks like a bareta. Kanang taas, rectangular siya forma. And this one is a line graph. That's a line graph. So when we say line graph, always remember, if it is all about time, days, month, look at that. We have years, 2018, sometimes these are months. Are you following me? Okay, sometimes these are months or days or weeks. As long as it is all about time, your graph will be line graph. This is an example of line graph where you show the trends if it is increasing or decreasing. Okay? Then there are questions. This one, first question, calculate the total amount of rainfall recorded for 5 years. We have the given graph man here. So we will calculate all the amount of rainfall in millimeter. This one, 12 plus 11 plus 900 plus 13. You add all of them and that is the total rainfall. That is the answer of question number 1. Calculate the total rainfall. Next is determine the year with the lowest percentage of rainfall. What is the lowest percentage? What year? 2020. Very good. After determining, you will get the percentage pila. So how to get the percentage? 900. 900 ang amount sa 2020. Am I right?
Yes.
So in getting the percentage, divide it by how many total amount. Diba? I told you add all of them. So number 1, you get the total amount already. Then you divide it by the total amount and that will be your percentage. Then number 3, find the average rainfall for in the last 5 years. So these are the steps, the solution. Given the data shown in the line graph, we can find the total amount of rainfall and even determine the lowest percentage and the average rainfall for the past 5 years. Then to calculate the total amount, so the total amount will be 5,900. Next is, we are going to divide